Game-changing assets, making concept art with Google Cloud's generative AI. One such innovation is the use of generative AI by Google Cloud to revolutionize the process of creating concept art. By leveraging the power of machine learning and artificial intelligence, artists are able to unlock new possibilities in game art and design, paving the way for a future where creativity knows no bounds. Artificial intelligence transforming the creative process. Artificial intelligence has become a game-changer in the world of digital art, offering artists new tools and techniques to enhance their creative process. Google Cloud's generative AI, creatives can now explore a realm where machine creativity meets human ingenuity, resulting in dynamic artwork that pushes the boundaries of traditional artistic expression. Breaking barriers with advanced technology. The fusion of AI and design has opened up a world of possibilities for artists looking to push the limits of their creativity. Through Google Cloud's generative AI, artists can tap into neural networks and algorithmic design to create innovative and visually stunning concept art that captivates audiences and redefines the future of art in the digital age. The future of art and design. As technology continues to evolve, the role of AI in the creative process will only become more prominent, revolutionizing the way we think about art and design. Google Cloud's generative AI is leading the charge in this creative evolution, empowering artists to explore new frontiers in digital innovation and artistic expression. Empowering artists with cutting-edge tools. Google Cloud's generative AI is not only revolutionizing the way concept art is created, but also empowering artists with a new set of tools and techniques to level up their creative process. By embracing AI and machine creativity, artists can explore new avenues of artistic expression and interactive media, leading to a more dynamic and engaging art form. Conclusion. In conclusion, as we move towards a future where technology and creativity intersect, the role of AI in the creative process will continue to expand and redefine the way we think about art and design. Google Cloud's generative AI is at the forefront of this creative revolution, offering artists a powerful platform to explore new possibilities in artistic expression and innovation.